So incredibly, eerily quiet. Not that many cars on the road, as usual. There's not even any birds chirping. I hear absolutely nothing at all. Well, yeah, there's the occasional one car, but besides just those few cars, there's absolutely no loud noises, except for that car. And that car also, and a few of those other cars, and but there's no birds, like I said. Look at all those icicles. This is the front of the house after a really huge blizzard. See, there's a tree. About maybe a foot of snow everywhere. And right now we're shoveling everything. And see, there go the canary geese flying away. Alright, let's get started. Look at that pink flamingo. Looks like he's wearing a snow coat. That is so funny. I still gotta shovel this stoop and everything. Don't want to be under those things, because they're really sharp. Flattening out the driveway. Oh, it's cold.
It's cold.
Dad's out taking pictures of the cold. Very cold. Cold lampposts. That's a cool shot.
Buddy?
A little chilly, Willie.
Yeah. Look at those white caps. Look at all the ice on the railings. Wow, look at these snow drifts. Like waves in the ocean, except these are in snow. And look at the little Wheezy, a good puppy. It's like a blanket, and Easy likes to eat the snow. Do you, Easy? It's also very windy. Whoa. Sometimes running around in the snow. No, come on, Weezy. Where you going? Are you behind there? Look at all this feet of snow. Come on, Easy. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go, puppy. Back up to the snowy snow hill. Okay, Weezy. Wait, no, Weezy, where you going? Wait, no, wait, Easy. Oh, look at this. A snowdrift. Look at that. That's so cool. It's like a wave of snow. Cool. No, Easy, come on. Come on. Come on, puppy. Puppy. Whoa.